In order to have great profits when selling online, you need to have a great profit margin. And in order to achieve a huge profit margin, you need a product with the smallest operational costs possible. In today's video, we explore digital products. It is a sector that you can start selling even with $0 in your pocket and keep 100% of the profit for yourself. No suppliers, no stock, no operational costs, no salaries. Is it really possible to hit 5 figures with this method? Let's find out. A digital product or service is a solution you give to someone's problem but in a digital form. For example, if someone is looking for a calendar, they will go to their local store. When they need an e-calendar, they will search online. In the same way, they may want to learn how to cook and they are looking for a course. The best thing about this online money-making strategy is that you don't need an inventory. Your product is limitless. And that's why it is considered a form of passive income. You do the job once, and then you money from sales passively. So here it is. You have a product, you have your audience, and you have demand. Now, let's move on to the interesting part. Moving on, I will show you 15 available digital products that you can sell today. But before we do that, I must show you the marketplace that you will be using. Your go-to marketplace is Etsy. It is a massive market that started as a marketplace for small companies to sell their physical products. But in recent years, the market has changed and started including digital products also. And that's where you will go. Creating your e-shop at Etsy is very easy. No more than a couple of clicks, so don't worry about that. Now the most exciting part begins. Listing your digital products. I will give you a list of 15 digital products and it is up to you to conclude to the one that fits you better. You can sell courses, ebooks, tutorials and guides, recipes, printables, templates, games, coaching, consulting, photos, gym programs, music and audio, apps, software, and the list just goes on. Whatever you have in mind that can be offered as a service that will help someone, just list it on Etsy. But, hey, stop. I want 5 seconds of your time. If you feel like getting some value from what you heard already, the best way to say a small thank you is by leaving a like. And now, let's move on to something different. Now that you have found your digital product, you must make it appealing to potential buyers. Selling just another course isn't going to help you make money online in 2023. Selling just another printable t-shirt won't either. So, you need to narrow it down and find the niche. Let me break it down for you. So, for example, you want to sell t-shirts. Everyone sells t-shirts. You need to stand out from the crowd, and that can happen with choosing a more specific niche. You can focus on selling t-shirts for Mother's Day, Memorial Day, or for a specific football team. In that way, you can also create traffic for your store and get more sales, growing your ETSY store in the same way. The same logic applies more or less to every digital product, but I want to discuss more about some of them. But there is more. The first one is PDFs. It may sound funny, but I would like you to pay attention to this digital product. A PDF can wear many hats. A PDF can be a guidebook for your city where you will propose places to visit and restaurants to eat at, or for an economic niche, like a quick guide for real estate investing where you can underline some of the things to watch out for when buying a property. Another option is making templates. You can create a template for people looking to build their CV in order to start applying for jobs. You can also do checklists, planners, and recipes. You can create social media post templates that will save a social media manager's time to create a post. The only requirement is to offer a valuable time-saving product. They may not be a high-ticket digital product, but they are easy to create and easy to sell. You can sell tons of them, and it's an easy way to make your first money online. Another digital product that you can sell is logos and brands. This is a never-ending market as businesses pop up every day. Tools like Canva or Logo.com can totally help you with that. In case you don't feel confident with logo creating, technology is here for you. Just search for Canva tutorials on YouTube and you will find full guides teaching you how to create good logos. We have gone a bit more in-depth about making money online with graphic designing in the video where we talk about 9 businesses that you can start with zero money. You can check it out. Another option is to sell digital art as a digital product. This doesn't mean that you are going to paint canvas and ship them. We are talking about digital art. You can create an iconic football moment with the help of AI, or you can post a high-resolution photo from an exotic island. People are searching for such images, and that's exactly what you are going to offer to them. And now let's get to the good stuff. Finally, we have the king of making money online. Courses. The most profitable digital product right now. You can upload them to platforms like Udemy, Thinkific, or Coursera, where people are constantly looking for courses. Your goal should be to find an evergreen course that sells on autopilot. In that way, you can literally make money while sleeping. Education is changing from what it used to be. People are shifting from basic school knowledge to more specific knowledge through highly specialized courses. Learning something new is always exciting, and that is never going to stop. So, pack up everything you know in a well-designed course. Now it's time to do the math. Can you really hit more than 20K in a month? Yes, you can. Especially with the courses, making $25,000 per month means that you will make 2,500 sales of a product that costs $10. Or 250 sales of a product that costs $100. Sounds excessive? The only thing that separates you from hitting those numbers is good marketing efforts. There are people with money. There are people with needs. There are people that want your product if you have developed something useful. You just have to invest in marketing and in approaching those people so that you can sell to them. That was all for today, guys. If there's anything you would like to discuss about your way to success in making money online, the comments section of this video is open to any one of you. Here is the news. I am starting a challenge of helping anyone in this channel build at least a $500 per month side hustle in 30 days. It is totally free, and all you have to do is get the weekly ideas and inspiration I will be sharing with my videos. So, feel free to subscribe if you don't want to miss it. Thank you for watching.